Well, just in order to give you a heads up, guys, the day before yesterday, the pavement was dry. So basically, all the snow that you see here fell during yesterday, and as you can see, it's the part of the pavement that have been raised. And I can tell you from on the both sides, it's at least half a meter. So yesterday's snowstorm brought us at least 50 centimeters of fresh snow. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I know a couple of places who are, you know, as we say, dancing with their tails on their back. The ski resorts in Montreal, around Montreal, they've been expecting good snowfall, and well, to be frank, this is more that they could have expected in their wildest imaginations.